How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to give a quick review of my MacBook Air M4 chip, 13 inches, with 16 gigabytes of RAM. As a mathematician, digital media entrepreneur, animator, and consultant, I needed a setup that was lightweight, thin, so that I could fit in my backpack on the go, and able to handle extensive files so that I could render my animations and handle large files for math proofs and computer programming. So this MacBook Air is great because it fits all of those characteristics. And if we open it up and look at it, we could see that I can create a large Blender file in an animation app called Blender and work on some heavy edits and animations on video files and bridge it with audio files and do some high level work with it. As you can see, it also has two USB-C ports and a lightning port for charging, as well as a headphone jack, which is great for someone like me who edits videos and needs to plug into the audio so I could hear directly on studio headphones. This MacBook is also compatible with the use of additional keyboards if you want to attach or connect a keyboard to the MacBook, a wireless mouse that you can plug into or connect to your MacBook. It also has several storage options where you can manipulate and store many different file types. And as you can see, the MacBook also comes with several different types of software that you can use as a creator. So here's an example of my setup with GarageBand where I created a custom musical beat and connected my Alesis V49 piano to the MacBook and created a musical beat. And it allowed for lots of customization. It was a MIDI or MIDI piano that I connected to it, and it worked fine, no loss of signal or anything like that. And the keyboard, as you can see and hear, that you can do many things with it. It's a very comfortable keyboard. I enjoy the way it feels when I'm typing. And if you set it up, you can put your finger on the power button to unlock your MacBook. However, sometimes it does say that you need to put in your password every now and then. So that's one kind of downside as opposed to just putting your finger on each time. It's a very intuitive and clean feel. It closes very easily and softly. It's very durable. And even the design of the keyboard and computer and geometry of it is very satisfying, especially for a mathematician and artist. Overall, I think this is a great buy, especially if you want to use it to work from home and do some high level work on your laptop. This laptop is not just for sending emails. This laptop can be used for many high level projects. And I know based on my previous experience with MacBooks, this will last a long time for me. And one other positive part of it is that it has a silent fan for the cooling system. So it's not loud like some other computers that might have loud fans and distract you from your work. Overall, if you're a designer, creator, scientist, someone that works from home or needs this for other professional ventures or creative endeavors, then I would highly recommend this MacBook Air that just recently came out, and I think it will help you achieve your technical goals. Thank you so much for watching.